Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. And I've heard a lot of complaints about the conduct of CPS. A client might call and say, you know, there's a CPS thing and they're lying to me. Can CPS lie to me? Is CPS permitted to do this? Well, it's a very, very interesting question because, you know, as citizens, like me and you, if we lie to authorities, that's called obstruction of justice. Or we get charged with crimes if we lie, for example, to the police. But if the police lie to you to get you to confess to something, that's considered an investigative tool. Is that appropriate? No. Is it fair? Of course not. Should the police or any other authorities lie to people? Of course they shouldn't. Now, what about a CPS worker? Can CPS workers tell you you've been accused of sexually assaulting your child only to try and get you to say, all I did was push him, I never sexually did anything? And then they say, oh, you pushed your kid, and can they do that? Well, can they or should they? Those are different questions. They shouldn't. They should always be above board, and they should be doing the right thing, and they should be acting in good faith. But you need to be aware that sometimes, as what they call an investigative tool, it's not unprecedented that they may bend the truth in order to get you to admit to something that's perhaps of a lower level, because that's really what they're shooting for. It's almost like they ask for a foot so they can gain an inch. It's that kind of thing. You need to be aware that they do that. Whether or not they should do that or can do that, those are really two different questions. But certainly it is not beyond my experience that CPS workers might distort the truth in order to further their investigation. So you, as a person who might be talking to CPS at some point in time, need to be aware that they do that. They might, for example, tell you, I'm asking you this question, but so-and-so already said that you did this. They may conjure up a fake witness that doesn't really exist just to get you to confess to something. So you need to be mindful of this, and perhaps talk to CPS only under very strict, limited circumstances. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out. If you found this helpful, please like, comment.